Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the last lesson, we have to learn how to create a Lightning component and how to create an application and how to call Lightning component into the application, and where I also learn how to use a extend force column SLDS to import the library system library of CSS. In this lesson, we will be see how to use interface in Aura component. So, in each and every time, you don't need to create a Aura application. We can call Lightning component on the several page. So, if I creating a Aura component, there is option to use a interface. So, based on the interface, we can call component in the several of the page. So, let's go to the lab demo example. So this is my Salesforce org. This is my previous component. So now I'm creating new component, new and Lightning component. Write the name of the component. So interface CMP. I am writing the name of the component. And here you can see there are option create bundle with following configuration option. So this is an interface. So if you selecting the Lightning type, it will this component will be visible on the type. If you selecting Lightning page, then this component will be visible on the Lightning custom page, Lightning record page, experience bundle side page, and Lightning quick action page. So if you want to display all of the page, this component will visible. Then you need to select all of the option, then submit. So this is not useful. I am closing this interface description file. Now I am using this component file. So here as you can see, there is an implement already automatically added. So there are multiple interface added whenever clicking on the component. So I am separating all of the interface available for all page type, quick action, and global. So there are multiple interfaces added whenever selecting of the quick action, quick quick checkbox. So force iForce available for all page type, available for record home page, record has ID, community. So this component will be access to use in this page. So for example, I am creating a H1, writing a title, welcome to Tech 3 way. And here we type I am calling this component into custom app page. Page in Salesforce. So last time I am calling the component into the application. This time I will calling this component into the custom app page. So friends, if you want to call the Aura component into the custom app page, so first we need to add an implement. Implement, it is an interface of Aura component. This interface is predefined by Salesforce. So there is an option available for all page type. That means it will be available all of the page like custom app page. And if you want, if you adding the app host table, so it will be available for all of the app. If you using the quick action page, so it will be available for the quick action. If you using the hash record ID, that means this component will get the current record ID of the record. So this time I am not creating an application. This time I will call this component into the custom page, Lightning app page. So now save and go to the open any of the custom page. So I have already created a custom app. There is a my custom app. So this time I am calling this component here. So edit the page, search your component. This is my component interface CMP. So simply select and drag and drop here and save and go back. So my component is visible here. Welcome to TechW3 Web, and I am calling this component into custom app page. So this is, as you can see, there is no background, white background here. So I will put a white background in the component. So in the div, we will call a class. So class equal to SLDS P means Python around larger, and before this div I will create a lightning card. This lightning card will overlap to the all over the content. So it will be wrap all of the div. So first we'll create a lightning card. Inside the lightning card I will create a div, then heading tag and paragraph tag. Then save. So whenever I am saving this file, I am getting error interface in when it comes to lightning card. So in the order component, there is no dash here. I will use, instead of the dash, I will use semicolon and then save and go to the Salesforce. You can see there is a background, white background coming. So if you are using the lightning card will give you a white background. If you are not using a lightning card, the white background will not coming in interface, and there is a heading tag and this is a paragraph tag. So this component I am calling into the lightning app page, not in lightning application. So not need to require each and every time creating an application. You can call multiple places to component. So for using the lightning component in app page, first we need to implement and add the lightning available for all page type, this interface. If you want to call this component into the tab, so you need to go to the setup, create a tab, and here I can create a lightning page tab. There is option lightning page tab. This is not lightning app page, it is a component. So go back, and there is option lightning component type. So if you want to visual this component into lightning component type, you need to create a new tab. In the new tab, there is a option select component. So my component is here visual, and other interface tab. Interface component, and here you can choose the style and next, and save. Here I created a custom component type. So in here you can search your type name interface component. This is the interface component type. So here you can see my component is visible in the custom type. So we can display the Lightning component to different pages. So before using the different interface, so first we need to add a different type of interface in the component. Then this component has access to call the different page. So friends, if you getting anything of issue to create a interface and calling this component to different page like a home page, record page, app page, anything you facing issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3 Way. Thank you.